Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need Java installed and your Flutter project open in Vscode. Once done, open the integrated terminal. First actionable step, locate keytool by running keytool list v. This verifies the JDK path. If keytool is missing, set Java home to your JDK folder and restart the terminal. Next, decide which SHA you need, debug or release. For debug, use the debug keystore path. For release, point to your release keystore. Now run the keytool command with the correct alias and storepes. Once you have the correct keystore file, execute keytool list v keystore path alias to display SHA1 and SHA256. For debug, typical alias is Android debug key and password is Android. For release, supply your keystore password and alias. Make sure to prefix paths with quotes if they contain spaces. After you get SHA values, copy the SHA1 or SHA256 as required by the console you're configuring. Finally, run Flutter clean then Flutter build to ensure the app used. To finish, paste the obtained SHA into the API or OAuth console and save changes. Once done, build a signed app bundle or APK to test. Make sure your app's Gradle signing configs points to the same keystore, alias, and passwords. If authentication fails or keys don't match, rerun keytool against the exact keystore used for signing, check environment variables, and confirm no multiple debug keystores exist. One key troubleshooting tip: regenerate or re-export the correct keystore and reconfigure Gradle if values still differ.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.